This is down here in Lexington, Kentucky. A deck. Let me take you up. Let me show you. This deck, the owner has a dog, and the dog, like all dogs on deck systems, leaving some scratches in the thin residential deck stain that she had applied on here, or had somebody apply it for her. Those scratches turned into peeling, flaking deck stain, right? Dogs, they got them sharp claws, and when you guys apply thin residential deck stains, deck paints to your decks that are less, here's the truth about that, less than notebook paper thin, okay? Dogs will always destroy them. You'll always end up with peeling deck paint. So, the deck's beautiful now. It doesn't have any of that flaking, disintegrating deck stain on it anywhere. I got a little spot right here that's drying, so excuse that. But it's gorgeous. It's coated gorgeously. It's high build. Just what we call thick build. Ultra tough. Really, really beautiful. Major transformation here. What we call peeling deck paint, LockDown encapsulation. Kong armor. The world's toughest deck armor. Lifetime deck armor. Film compared to thin residential deck paints and stains, 30 to 60 times the film thickness. The thing about Kong is it's got tough film technology in it. It's so thick that it has a middle absorbent layer that takes on impacts, and that can be a dog claw, it can be scuff from the feet, it can be somebody dragging something across it. It doesn't matter. It has that middle impact layer that protects it from things getting to the bottom layer and obliterating adhesion, or causing what we call adhesion loss. Okay, so here, this was really, really simple for us. We brought in the world's toughest deck armor, the lifetime deck armor system, Kong armor, and we did what's called peeling deck paint, LockDown encapsulation. That's where we came in, we washed everything up real good, got as much of the loose peeling stuff off of here that would come off of here. And then Kong, it's specifically specified for that job, for the encapsulation of peeling deck paints, flaking deck stains, peeling bare deck over, peeling cabot deck correct, any of these things that you guys put on your decks that does not last, that the sun destroys, that dogs destroys. Kong can encapsulate it. No sanding needed, no chemical peels needed, none of that stuff. It's just straight LockDown. It engulfs everything. It's such a high build, very heavy bodied coating, and it can bridge gaps, bridge cracks, but its main specialty is the encapsulation and the plastering back down of any loose peeling deck paint. We call it LockDown encapsulation. And you don't see any of the previous deck paint here peeling up anywhere. You don't see it coming through the film absurdly. You're talking about a really, really beautiful, high build, drop dead gorgeous finish compared to what was here, right? That thin residential stain. Let's talk about some of the benefits, okay? This particular customer, they had issues with the stain being slick. Stains, they stick, your all's deck stains, which number one, aren't rated for foot traffic. They stick gloss in them. That gloss, it's not great on decks, okay? It creates slippery, it makes the surface slippery. Call anti-slip. Very, very anti-slip. Okay, it grabs the feet very, very well. It feels like a dog's pad. So if you've ever touched a dog's pad on their foot, that's kind of the surface that Kong has. It kind of feels very similar to that. And if they have very good brake pads, there's a reason that nature designed that like that, that sort of rubbery feel, because it stops everything really well. So no gloss in here. Okay, opaque finish, very high build, very gorgeous. This deck owner was very concerned about the scratches in the wood coming back through and showing up in the finish. We don't have any of that going on. Up here was where the most of it was, and she had guards here, rubber guards that were trying to stop the scratches from occurring. And Kong, it's very raw resurfacing power. It's pressed into voids and pressed into imperfections, okay, knots, cracks, any of that type of stuff. And most of the imperfections in wood, it draws out, it fills in and draws out to a high build, ultra tough, just gorgeous finish, right? So peeling deck paint, lockdown encapsulation here. Address the deck owner's concern. We switched her over from a very slippery film to a high grip film that's actually rated for foot traffic. We took a lot of the weathering out of the structure. We took the dog claw marks out of the structure. Okay, take you in here for a second and show you just a gorgeous finish in here in this little screened in patio area. Now we'll talk about Kong's true water lock capabilities, because look, every nail and screw hole here, every crack that was in these boards, cracks in the boards, open cracks, nail and screw holes, all locked down, all encapsulated. There's nowhere for water to enter into them anymore and cause rust to rot, rotten boards, anything like that. I'll show you what that looks like. Look, see? It's your nail holes closed off. Okay? You see a little indentation of them, but they're actually closed off. There's coating down inside the hole that closes these off to water. If you know about protection of decks, that's a big, big deal. Most people don't know what it takes to actually properly protect decks. That's a huge, huge deal. The fact that you find somebody to do that for you, plus lock down your peeling deck paint without you facing replacement, because ultimately that's what was going to happen here, was replacement because of the peeling deck paint. They meet with local painters, this type of stuff. They get the bids and understand that they have to sand, that all that has to be sanded off. And when they look at the bid for that, and going back and reapplying that thin, cheap stuff on top of it that they know is going to fail within a year, and they see that cost, boy, replacement starts looking more optimal to them. What Kong does is it cuts out the need for that sanding and that high preparation cost. I'll take you guys on the outside of this structure and show it to you. Industrial elastomer. That's what we've brought in here to encapsulate this Lexington, Kentucky deck. We came down here from Cincinnati to save this deck for her and help her out. Very beautiful finish. Very gorgeous. Super, super happy for her. Just high build Kong. The spindles, just gorgeous. This color is called Skull Island Brown. Okay, Kong, world's toughest deck armor, rated for wind-driven rain, sleet, ice, hail, up to hurricane wind speeds. My goodness, just look how gorgeous that high build, just synthetic finishes on the outside of these railings. I'll take you down and show them to you. But you can see here, really, really gorgeous. Look in the post. No open cracks. There were big, huge open cracks in all these. Look how all that's filled in. Synthetic looking beautiful. The ultimate in protection. No water can get in there anymore. We drove a high grade deck epoxy filler That's the toughest on the planet to fill in deck post checking, deck post cracks, knots, voids, imperfections, these type of things into this deck everywhere. It's called Silverback epoxy, and its main job is to fill in those things I just listed for you, so that we don't have to take massive time filling them in with coating, right? Pressing into them and filling them in with our coating system. And the end result is just a way more beautiful, look how beautiful, structure with no visible openings in it. So ours versus somebody else's that you look at, what you'll notice about ours is it has real protection. There's virtually nowhere for water to enter. That's what's unique about Kong. When we look down through here, you don't see any open cracks where water can get into that post, right? Same thing over here. There's nowhere where water can actually enter the deck now. And that's what real deck protection is. There you go. Up underneath the underside of it, perfectly executed. Most guys won't even do this for you. They'll leave it uncoated. We came in, we coated all of this in the high build, the industrial grade Kong armor. Just turned out stunning up underneath of there. And you got to do it. Look, when you restore and you encapsulate as many decks as I do, okay, you start to pick up on these little things. And the thing is here, when you come in this gate, through a gate here, the first thing you notice is the underside of those stairs. So if they're not done, okay, if you just coat the rest of the deck, resurface the rest of the deck, and you leave that ugliness up underneath the underside of them stairs, boy, it just takes away from the final appearance of this, and that homeowner's never going to be happy, right? So instead, you take a couple hours and you do that for them, and it just perks them right up. They're beautiful because they've never had that done before, right? I can't remember if hers were done or not, but I don't think so. I think it had been a while. Beautiful, really gorgeous, high build, ultra tough, ready to take on anything Mother Nature throws at it, game to protect. Just stunning. Really, really beautiful deck system. Skull Island brown here is the color. Okay, now I want to talk to you about Kong armor. One of its main benefits, we call it lifetime deck armor. And the reason why we call it lifetime deck armor is because it's a lifetime deck armor system. Let me explain that to you. Kong, this deck, the owner is now a lifetime deck armor system owner. She has locally backed service for life, support. We can come out anytime, issue cleaning, touch up if needed for small, minor stuff, okay? For example, the dog problem that she was having. Nobody or nothing on the planet can stop a dog and its sharp claws from tearing things up if they really get to doing it, okay? The cool thing about Kong is what we call a regeneration capable coating system. So, number one, it's 1,000,000 times tougher. But let's say that the dog does put a few scratches in it. It's not going to peel up majorly and all this stuff. Kong, very, very easy to touch up. Its whole life of existence. So, anytime she needs touch up for dog claw marks, it's as simple as one of our techs coming out and just, a lot of times we can just simply just take a brush and the system blends right back in. It has regeneration capability. That's what we call it, regeneration. Okay. So she has that local lifetime service and support promise. Whole ownership. It's lifetime. She also has lifetime limited warranty. Okay. All she's got to do is bring us out here and show us that Kong is peeled up massively everywhere. We can get it covered under that lifetime limited warranty. Here's the thing. Kong Best warranty for a deck coating system on the planet. Covers both labor and coating. A lot of people don't understand that. Most deck coatings don't come with any type of warranty like that. And if they do, they're from a manufacturer and it's just for the material. Kong, both. Okay, so if this deck peels, we're on the hook for coming out, providing full resolution, fixing it, the labor and the coating. It's a very, very powerful warranty. Okay, so if you live in Lexington, if you live up where we're at in Cincinnati, we don't mind coming down to Lexington to help if you're serious. If you live in Lexington, Georgetown, Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, Southeast Indiana, and you want to learn more about Kong's peeling deck paint lockdown encapsulation ability, lifetime deck armor, or getting a free quote to have your deck system encapsulated in the world's toughest deck armor, it's super, super easy. All you got to do, there's our service plaque. You would just visit the website there, kongarmor.com. Or you can use that phone number there too as well. Give us a call if you're old school and you don't like being on the internet. No problem. From Lexington, Kentucky, I'm the proprietor of Kong Armor. My name is Anthony Ford. I'm signing off. What a gorgeous deck. I'm so happy for this owner now. See you.